journey begins here in Rzeszów, a city of around 200,000 people in southeastern Poland, about 80 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. We moved here in 2024 when life in Ukraine became increasingly difficult. You may have heard of Rzeszów because the airport here has become somewhat of a hub for international aid. The border is very close, and so tens of thousands of refugees have come here since the war began, including the three of us. But now we've decided to move on. Since 2022, Rzeszów's population has grown by 50,000. A quarter of the population is now Ukrainian. You hear it everywhere, in the shops, on the streets, even at Emily's kindergarten. Emily, how many boyfriends do you have at the moment? Huh? Have you got one boyfriend or two? Two? Oh my God. My daughter has two boyfriends. Terrible. Is Matty one of your boyfriends? Yeah. And who's the other one?
Is it David?
David? Is David your boyfriend? Yeah? Okay. So Matty and David. Matty and David, yeah? You have to choose one, Emily. You can't date two people at the same time. Before we leave, there's time for one last visit to our favourite cafe. So, what do you think you're going to miss about Poland?
Well, I guess it's very nice and clean, and the big thing is that it's family friendly.
Yeah, true.
And random people have been giving Emily sweets and presents and have events for little kids, so I've really enjoyed that.
Yeah, people seem to like kids, don't they? They seem to like Emily, but then she's very cute, so
Well, she is.
who could not like her? You're very cute, aren't you, Emily? And did you think we'd still be living here 2 years later?
Well, obviously I was hoping that things would get better in Ukraine and at least there would be a chance to go back, but we did kind of plan that this would be
You want another one?
the final destination, if
There you
you
go.
will.
Well, yeah, there you go, Emily. Yeah, we did kind of hope that, didn't we? But
So yeah, we brought our stuff and things.
yeah, we brought a lot of stuff, didn't we? Now we've got to move everything again. Do you want another one, Emily? Look, there you go. What's this one called?
Everest.
Everest. Oh, that's a good name for a dog. And what about Emily? Do you think she knows what's going on?
Well, I should hope not.
Do you know what's going on, Emily? No, I mean with us packing up. And think she knows we're leaving?
Well, not sure, but I mean, she has travelled, so she knows what happens,
true.
and she seems to quite enjoy travelling.
Yeah. You're looking forward to seeing some new places, Emily? Yeah? You don't really care, do you?
Yeah, but I think she'll enjoy living by the ocean and seeing the monkeys and the nature and everything.
Yeah, true.
Playing in the sand.
For 2 years, our street, our cafe, our routine, everything is about to change. Next time on Two Flags, One Adventure, we continue our journey eastwards. A quick stopover in Athens, followed by an 11-hour budget flight to Singapore.